Today's topic is how to insert a picture into a text in Microsoft PowerPoint easily. So let's begin the topic. As usual, go to Home, go to New Slide, insert a blank slide. Write something over here, go to Insert, go to Shape, pick a text box from here and drag it over here like this. I have to write Online Education 360. Now make it bold and change the font to this font and change the font size and resize it and keep it center. Go to shape format, go to align, align center, align middle. Now I have to add a picture that I want to insert into text. Go to insert, go to picture, select on this device, saved picture. If I want to insert this picture, click on insert and send it to back. Now select the background shape, actually the background picture, and this shape, the text shape. Go to shape format, go to merge shape, click on intersects. Now it looks good. Now you can resize it over here. You can go to picture format, go to color, and you can change the saturation over here. It looks good. So this is the way to insert a picture into text in Microsoft PowerPoint. Hope this video is helpful to you. Please subscribe our channel and don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. Thank you.